They're inside. Yeah. All right. Oh, do you fall over? Ashton, can you help her up? You can get up? All right. Okay. Come to Dada, baby. Woo-hoo! That was some good snowboarding.
That is fun.
Yeah, you're doing some good snowboarding, baby.
What? Nope.
It's okay, baby. It's okay if the snow gets on your board.
But I won't be able.
Yeah, you will. Just jump a little bit. Good job, baby. Hannah, you want to say anything to Mama? Hannah, you want to say anything to Mom?
Mom, I started snowboarding.
Tell Mom if it's fun.
It's fun.
You like to play in the snow too, huh?
I'm making a snowball.
Snowball?
Snowball.
Hannah, look at the camera and say, love you, Mama.
Love you, Mama.